In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images from a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever found yourself needing to remove an image from a PDF for one reason or another, whether it's to update a document, eliminate unnecessary visuals, or create a more professional look, you've come to the right place. We'll break down the process into simple steps to make it as easy as possible for you. First things first, let's talk about opening your PDF file. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. It's essential to ensure that you open the correct file, so navigate to your document by using the File menu where you can select Open. Once your PDF is loaded and visible, we can now move on to editing it. So next we're going to locate the Edit option. This can be found on the global toolbar at the top of the screen. Simply click on Edit, and this will open up a new set of tools specifically for modifying your PDF. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC provides a robust editing environment made incredibly user-friendly for editing both text and images. Now, once you've accessed the editing tools, you'll need to select the image you wish to delete. To do this, move your cursor over to the image. When the cursor turns into a selection tool, much like selecting text in a document, click on the image. You'll see a blue border appear around the image indicating that it is selected and ready for any edits you wish to make. With the image selected, glance at the contextual menu that appears. In this menu, you'll find a Delete option. Clicking this Delete option will remove the image from your PDF. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you're certain about your edits, as this isn't something you'll want to undo too many times. Alterations to your documents should be purposeful. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC accommodates this need. You can select your desired image just like before, but instead of going through the contextual menu, simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. It's quick and efficient, especially if you're working with multiple images and need to streamline the process. Once you've deleted the image or images, don't forget to save your document. It ensures that all changes are kept and your work isn't lost. Use the save icon or go to File and Save, or Save As, to ensure all your edits are securely stored, and there you have it. With these easy steps, you can effectively manage and edit the images in your PDF documents using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to maintain higher levels of professionalism and clarity in your PDF presentations or documents. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.